Hi there, and welcome to the HT2 channel. This week we are going to cover some basics around disaster kits. So sit back, relax, and get ready for some tip time. Welcome back. I am Kelly, and I will be guiding you in this week's video. In follow-up to last week's daylight savings time tips on preparedness, I wanted to share a deeper dive into disaster kits. Over the coming weeks, we will share some tips on what they are, how often you should maintain them, where they should be stored, and so much more. This week, we will take a deeper dive into the benefits and drawbacks to buying or building your own disaster kits. To build or to buy is the question. I have done both. Well, actually, that isn't completely true. I have built my own and have secured pre-assembled kits at conferences and other preparedness events. So why did I choose to build my kit? Basically, it came down to two main reasons. One, I wanted to be able to customize my kit with my essential items, and two, I wanted to save a buck. When I worked for the Red Cross, monies were pretty tight, and spending hundreds of dollars on kits was a little over the top for me and my family. So we slowly built our kit over time to lessen the financial impact and really customize it to our needs, which was advantageous for our bank accounts for sure. Little by little, we made purchases to add to our kits. Every time I went to the big box store for groceries, I would add an item of canned goods to our kit. We would also pick up things like hand warmers, flashlights, extra batteries, water, etc. on a regular basis. The Red Cross has a great calendar that walks you through 52 weeks of preparedness to do things in your home and build your own kits. So I would highly encourage you to take a look at that preparedness calendar. I will plan to include a link in the comments of this video for you to gain access to the calendar directly. Now, on the other hand, purchasing a kit is much easier to do. You simply do some research online or go to a store that sells the kits and purchase instantly. So the ease of purchasing is a huge plus, although you really do have to get it home and add some of your personal items to the kit. We recommend starting with your comfort item and then build the rest of the kit around it. So if you purchase the kit, add your comfort item to it now. For those of you that know me and my preparedness ways, you know that I have a box of red wine in my kit. Well, actually it's more like the wine bladder now, as the box was damaged. I chose red specifically because it doesn't need to be chilled, and the box rather than bottled because it's likely not to be damaged. Now take a moment to think about what will you want in your disaster kit in the recovery phase. A warm blanket? A picture of loved ones? Chocolate? Once you've made your selection, make sure to add it to your kit. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you walked away with some useful tips. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Until next time, be safe, my friends.